Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients, including a pie crust and your preferred quiche filling components. Next, ensure your air fryer is clean and ready for use. We will cover preparing the crust, mixing the filling, and the precise air frying steps. You'll discover how simple it is to achieve a delicious, perfectly cooked quiche with a crispy crust and a creamy center, all using your convenient air fryer. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. Before air frying, select a pie dish that comfortably fits inside your air fryer basket. Typically a 6-inch or 7-inch size works best. If using a raw crust, blind bake it first for about 5 to 7 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent a soggy bottom. While the crust cools slightly, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of shredded cheese, and any desired fillings like cooked bacon or spinach. Pour this mixture into your prepared crust. Now it's time to air fry your delicious quiche. Carefully place the filled pie dish into your air fryer basket. Set your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Cooking times can vary slightly depending on your specific air fryer model and the thickness of your quiche. To check for doneness, gently insert a thin knife or toothpick into the center. It should come out clean, indicating a perfectly set filling. Avoid overcooking to maintain a creamy texture. For a perfectly golden crust, if you notice the edges browning too quickly during cooking, simply cover them loosely with a small piece of aluminum foil. Once your quiche is beautifully cooked, carefully remove it from the air fryer. It's crucial to let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the filling to set completely, ensuring clean, firm slices. Serve warm and enjoy your homemade, perfectly cooked air fryer quiche. It's a delightful meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.